loved you so. I thought I loved you so.
In the skinny jean wearer, fro for days in the OAA, born so low, most fools couldn't price me, silently stunt with a full of PE. And I guess you know me, been in NY so long, got tri-state family, especially Brooklyn, shout out to the Martys. My bloodline runs deep, nights I don't sleep, figure it's my pops keeping me away, and me keep my mind on the clouds for reality. These motherfuckers can't fathom the wizardry, slow-mo brain that's backwards, cowards. Take a shower, your attitude stinks, wanna know what I think. Hey, my mojo so dope, my mojo so dope.
Yeah, we live it, yeah, we own it. Give a about your lifestyle, give a about a mother lifestyle. We live this. Your lifestyle, give about a mother lifestyle.
Hey, I live through words, not metaphors, so I pass to be the rest of the freshmen. Play for talk, often the fave, till I came like Pogart and said true things. A whole new legion of some aiming high past the idea slang, and praise Allah for keeping me away, man. A lot of my fell victim to the dope game. Some things will never be the same. Wishes I could tell my brother something for some motivation to get him out that gutter. He's leaving behind a family and a mother. Damn, you must understand what I speak about this song. It's how I really am. Yeah, this is how I really think. You can see what I see. Yes, I really blink. Yes, I really drink. I really do rage. My demons at the cage by most of the day. Before I became the A's, the E